Man,
Let's go, guys. They almost gallop along, don't they? Oh, look at them. Oh, they've come to poke. Thank you.
You like this, right? You like this whole vintage.
They're hysterical, aren't they?
You know, we could be in
We want to check
Madagascar.
them out, and I think they want to check us out.
We could be in Madagascar.
I know.
Who's this guy? Whoa! Oh, they must be playing some kind of game. Are they trying to get... Look at that, sitting with the feet up. Monkey.
Yeah.
What else called
Hand on his knee.